Alright, Norm here, your humble and obedient servant. So, this came in today. This is more the odd stuff that gets brought to me that I'm like, sure, I'll try that. So this is a laser light system for a DJ. He has a backup unit, but he really wanted this working, and one of the problems was that it was intermittent. This is a really cool system. It puts out a beautiful blue laser that does, to the music. It does a nice little laser show, and it's got a little top to it. Let me grab out here. So this sits on here on the top, so that you can then hook it up to your lighting system and then shine it down on the dance floor. Really cool. And there's a couple different models. I was looking at the information on it. This has a single blue laser in it. There's the laser right there. So right here's our laser, and if this was one of the 3 laser units, it'd have a blue, a red, and a green. There'd be the blue there, and then the red and the green would be attached here, and then the lasers shoot out, hit these mirrors here, boom, 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 and of course these are your driver boards on the top and the bottom for your input and your output. So what he was getting was that it was intermittent, and I'll show you the back of this. I'll turn it around. Intermittent in the sense that he would get it to sometimes do the laser show, and then sometimes it wouldn't. And so here's the microphone. You can have it just listen to the sound and it'll play the show, or you can link these together and have them master slave type of situation where you have a bunch of them daisy chained together, and then they'll work in unison. Pretty cool. I've got a set something similar to this that are multicolored as well, and they're a lot of fun. Mine are a lot heavier and a lot bigger. This one's is actually pretty sweet. I wouldn't mind having this one myself. Anyways, but the problem was this dip switch, which actually sits here. This is the dip switch. It's been pretty beat up, so these switches are bad. In particular, this is the one, number 9, pin 9, that actually tells it to turn on or not, and not turn on, but to start the show or not. And this switch is actually what's wrong with it. So what I got to do is get into replacement for it, desolder it. I've already started cleaning up. This had a bunch of the hot snot on it, which is always nasty. So remove the hot snot, and then I'll have to do that and get this bad boy out. I got a couple more things in this week electronics wise. I've got a real nice Nakitomi or Nakamichi tape deck that came in. That's got to be repaired. That's really pretty. I think it's just got a problem with the odd arm. And what else? There's one more thing I had in here this week. Oh no, that was from last week. Anyways, bygones. Not very important. But this is just something else that people come to me and they're walking by and they go, "Hey, do you repair this?" And I'm like, "Well, let's give it a try." So pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for watching.